back at it on Sudderth right now. Going down. Cruise. Schlotzsky's. I love Schlotzsky's. Love that place. Okay. I'm gonna stay on the sidewalk here for a minute because these cars come up quick. You gotta duck. Because I'm too tall. There's the river down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ducking for limbs. Look at all these bears. Good thing with these skate tours, I can kind of talk to you guys more. Whereas the driving tours, I put my camera up on the top of my vehicle and just let it record. Watch out for these crabs. They're everywhere. So these are some of my old stomping grounds back in the mid 90s, early mid 90s, late, actually all 90s. We used to come up here and skate Sudderth. We'd have like 40, 50 people at a time out here skating. It's pretty crazy. Okay, we're moving now. I'm gonna hop out here real quick. So there's a lot of tourists right now. We're kind of moving. It's kind of fun. I just don't want to fall. If I fall, it'll be embarrassing. Get back up on the sidewalk. Skating Sudderth Ruidoso. It's gonna dart out, but I didn't see no traffic coming. That's fine. I'll jump out here for a second. Get into the street. Try to stay here on the side. Cruise right here. Okay, they got the red light back there, so now we can kind of just cruise. There's a nice pub right there. I forget the name of it. Okay, we got a car. Gotta watch out here. Coming up. The road is good right here. Shoulder. You never know when a car's gonna jump out, try to run you over. See, I don't know how far we're going. We're just gonna. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this one. I'm planning on doing more of these, and I'm gonna do El Paso next. Maybe sometime next week. I get a lot of requests for El Paso tours, driving tours. But now I think it'd be cool to do it skating. Nice little cruise on a Friday afternoon. I'm gonna hop in here real quick. Hit those rocks. Gotta be careful. So we're doing I guess this would be a walking tour right now. Okay, we got a clearing here in a second. Now we can move it out. Maybe we'll skate by this little shopping center up here. We got a Domino's. Okay, I got a car coming up on me. I need to move over. This place is good, Cornerstone Bakery. But I think they're only open in the mornings. I haven't been here in a while. I don't think they're open in the evenings. Passing the shopping center I wanted to get to. Wait for these cars to go by. See a car over here to the right that wants to jump out. I'm gonna let him go. Oh, he's going the other way. We'll just skate through here real quick. It's gonna be coming back this way. Skating uphill. I'll stay off the sidewalk so you guys can see the businesses. You got a Domino's. Oh, I didn't know they had a Munchies up here. That's right, we got a Munchies in Alamogordo. Mountain Treasure, Boots, haircut spot, herb spot, chicken, and skincare. I may come up here more to do these. There's I think I saw those people earlier in the 4Runner, the orange one, because I got that orange 4Runner, and every time I see another 4Runner, I think it's a thing with 4Runner owners, when they see each other they wave. I might go down to, I think we'll go down to Fun Trackers, and then we'll wrap it up. I still got to go back. I still got to go back to my car. It's kind of a ways back. So this place is Apache Donuts. I think they're open. They probably close at 3. I'm not sure. Oh, I was gonna go. Jeep's coming up quick. Let's see. After this car we'll go. I think I got a truck that wants to come out. Let's see. Where should I go? Decisions. Oh, I hope you can see me. I think he's staying in his lane. We're good. No cars coming for a while, so I can just sit here and cruise. I don't even have to push. We're going down. Glad there's no rock. Like after the rainstorms, this road's pretty beat up. Snowstorms. How's it going? People are friendly today. Okay, this is gonna be downhill. This is gonna be a downhill right here. I'm gonna drag a little bit. I don't want to go far. I may have to jump off a bit. My board may shoot out. You know what? I may have to walk it out. see where the traffic is. Okay. Oh shoot! Almost lost it. We're almost to where we need to go, and then we're gonna go back to the car. These guys are coming in quick. How to jump up. We may take a look at Fun Track. It's like a little go-kart place over here. Here in Ruidoso. Pretty fun spot. So just right here I got all the speed. Let's see if I can make this turn. You know what? This car's trying to go, I'm gonna let them go. They do a little peek over here at these go-karts. And we made it down to Fun Trackers. Over here on the left. Take a quick look. It's pretty nice, pretty chill. See what it looks like. Got the bumper boats over there. Got the waterfall. And then over there is where you get your tickets. Got the race car, the go-kart track over there. Down here. That's it, that's Fun Trackers in there. Alright, I don't know if I should go down this road or just walk back up this big hill. Alright y'all, thank you guys for checking out this video. We're going to be doing more of these. I like doing these. These are fun because you never know what you're going to run into. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. That's Ruidoso, New Mexico for, what is this, April 3rd, 2026. It's probably about 6 p.m. right now. There's a racetrack over there. It's fun. Check it out, Fun Trackers. All right, y'all. We will see you on the next one. Let me know what you guys think. Follow, subscribe, do all of that. Peace. Big salute to Anna the Mountain Gods, too.